In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hyperlink to another page in WordPress. So first, log into your WordPress site and access dashboard. If you want to add link in the post, navigate to Post and then All Post and select post you want to edit. If you want to add link in page, navigate to Pages and then All Pages and select page you want to edit. Click to enter the editor for your selected post or page. Find text in your post or page where you want to add hyperlink. Highlight specific word or phrase you want to turn into a link. After highlighting text, a small toolbar will appear above text with several icons. Click on link icon, and in the box that appears, you can either paste URL of page you want to link to or start typing name of page. WordPress will suggest relevant pages from your site. Click on page you want to link to from suggestions or paste URL and hit enter. After adding link, be sure to save changes by clicking on update or publish. To see how link looks and works, you can preview post or page. Click on preview, it's usually at the top right, and scroll to section where you edit link. And you should see link text. Click on it to ensure it directs you to correct page.